Hey guys, welcome back to Let's Take. It's your boy Lucky, and today we are going to check out a car phone stand. It's a one from this company called Ainope. It retails for around 25 euros, guys. But yeah, let's have a look at it and see how well it works. So guys, this is the box itself. As you can see, it's from Ainope. Just a little small design, some key features on the back. There's nothing, some more contact either. But yeah, let's open this up. Let's see which way the knife goes. Just try it like that. Yep, that worked. So we've got something here. Looks like it's the main unit. So let's put that aside. Let's see what else we get inside. So we've got a Enjoy Your Smart Life little leaflet card with some thank you and some feedback. Some more information, and inside here we've got the suction cup as well as the cable. So inside we've got this USB A to micro B for charging. Looks like a nice decent length cable, and here we've got the suction cup itself, which you will turn this and this will come up here, and then you've got your main unit here. So let me don't want to press that, but only. Okay guys, I've connected this up. As you can see, not that difficult, but yeah, so this is the device itself. As you can see, let's see if I can get this to stand up. No, this won't get down, but I'm gonna hold it like that. See, it's a nice compact, so you do get all these adjustable, so you can adjust it upwards, so you can fit loads of angles depending on how you want to have it. You can have it on the window screen, or you can have it facing down. But yeah, which is a lot of stuff, and you do get full rotation, as I said before. You can rotate it anyway, and you can have it like that. So let's try with the phone. So let's take my iPhone XR. As you can see, you have buttons here to close and unclose it. But if I put my phone in here, okay, that's saying it's run out of charge. Okay guys, I've now connected this up because this needs power and it's now got some juice, but you can just stay plugged in, it really doesn't need to charge. But yeah, so if I put my phone here, and it's just going to close by itself, and there's two buttons on each side. I'm going to show you, there's one there, there's one on this side. You can press any of them and it will open up, and you can take your phone out and just slide it back on. It's going to stay on. It's nice and strong, as you can see guys. It's really nice. So you can press any of these buttons and it will just open up, which is like really handy, because I've seen other car holders you have to sit up fiddle with these, pulling them out, and it's just so much hassle. This is nothing. Take it in, get in the car, you put your phone, and it's gonna close itself, which is really nice. Using the button, it's gonna open, as you can see, and you just drag your phone out. So simple. It won't work in landscape, but you can just plug it in here, and you can plug it in, and then you just don't open. I just want you to turn. So you can turn using these, so you don't want to touch any of the buttons, but you can have it like that, and it works in landscape, which is really nice. And you just open up, take your phone out. That's simple it is, guys. If you've got a suction cup here, you can always wash that and reuse it. And let me show you down here, you've got the locking systems. It's one lock, and that's two locks, so you know it's fully locked in. So 1, 2, so it's going to stay really tight onto your surface, whatever it is. You know it's not going to fall out. But yeah, overall it's nice. Got a nice design here, as you can see, but that's just all fancy, nothing really. As you can see, the glows don't really do anything, just appearance. It looks nice and cool. Overall, it is nice. You have this little soft padding here, and it feels great. It's going to protect your phone, like these are glass, and it's going to make sure it's not going to get any scratches, anything like that, which is a nice thing. But yeah, so yeah, the only downside here, it's a micro USB for charging, and it does not have wireless charging. It would have been nice to see some wireless charging here, but yeah, you just use your phone cable when you want to charge it. There's nothing really you can do here, but for this price point I wouldn't complain. Would have been nice, but yeah, you've got this little hassle-free opening and closing, which is really nice. And this, you just charge it like once and it should probably last you a month or so, but a quick charge and it will be back up and running. But yeah guys, like nothing else, but yeah, that's it guys. So yeah, guys, as you saw, it's a really nice little compact car holder, and as you can see we've got that 360-degree turning, the closing and everything. You can use one hand and it seamlessly works. It can hold most phones and it's really nice. You get this flexibility, you get that little double lock so you so you know it's locked properly. But for the price, I do love it. It works great. And I'm going to leave a link in the description as always guys. But yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe, leave a like, and I'll see you next one guys. Take care.